boy whose name is Rohit. It was
Okay,
his
one second, sir. Now you
boy whose name was David. It was his birthday. He called all his friends and relatives. After the completion of birthday party, he would like to see what are the different kinds of presents, gifts given by his friends and relatives. Now he opened the cupboard and find out most of the toys. Among those toys, he liked one of the toy which was nothing but drum. He took it out and started playing. While he was playing the drum, it produces the sound the 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 the.
yes. Then song.
See me play upon my drum.
Very good. So you have to explain the action. What is the action of from the
See my play on my drum play.
which letter formation? How
Initial
do you
letter. This one the initial starting point. Now we are going to form a circle. Next we are going to upper side of the circle and again coming up. This will be the ending point of the letter form.
okay?
Word.
Okay,
Now
that
it
is
is the first sound. Ja.
very good. Now what letter is this? Giraffe letter, tortoise,
There is a giraffe letter.
Why is it a giraffe letter? In the upper line. Very good. Now let's go on with the no. First we do the sound. So you have to give them thumbs up, thumbs down. Say some sounds.
Now I would like to say some of the words. You just hear it and say whether the sound will be present in that word or not. First word in the word darker.
Thumbs up.
Next donkey.
Thumbs up.
Next drum.
Thumbs up.
Envelope.
Down.
Down.
Pen.
Down.
Down.
Dustbin.
Up.
Girl.
Down.
Doctor.
Up.
Class.
Down.
Very good.
Now you do the blending.
Now
Now what you do? There are four words. Okay.
D. E. P. Dip. D. A. D. Dan.
The other two we are doing the
Segment.
what is the first sound?
P. A. D.
Day.
hide. Hide.
What
Hide.
is the word?
Hide.
Is it
Ha.
You read it using the sound.
H. E. D. Head.
Very good.